Welcome back, adventure enthusiasts! Today, we're taking you on a thrilling journey to one of the most exciting theme parks in the South. Get ready for a day full of fun, sun, and incredible water slides. We're heading to Alabama Adventure and Splash Adventure. Alabama Adventure and Splash Adventure is a unique combination of a traditional amusement park and a refreshing water park. Located in Bessemer, Alabama, this park offers something for everyone. From thrilling roller coasters to epic water slides, there's no shortage of excitement here. Our first stop is the Rampage, a wooden roller coaster that will leave you breathless. With its twists, turns, and drops, this coaster is a must-try for adrenaline junkies. Hang on tight! Whoa, that was an incredible ride! If you're looking for more thrills, make sure to check out the Zoomerang, where you'll experience the sensation of flying as you go forwards and backward on this boomerang coaster. Now, let's cool off and head to the water park section. The Splash Adventure Water Park has a fantastic selection of slides, pools, and attractions to beat the summer heat. And one of the most popular slides here is the Neptune's Plunge. Whoosh! That was a wild ride. But if you're up for a more relaxing experience, don't miss the lazy river, where you can float along and soak up the sun. It's the perfect way to unwind. Families visiting the park will love the many attractions designed for all ages. The Centi-Speed is a thrilling family ride that spins and twists, providing fun for everyone. And for the little ones, make sure to visit the Splash Island area, where they can splash around in the shallow pools and enjoy pint-sized slides. I love seeing families having a great time together. Alabama Adventure and Splash Adventure truly caters to all ages, making it the perfect destination for a family day out. Now, let's talk about food because all this excitement can work up an appetite. Thankfully, the park has a variety of dining options to satisfy your cravings. From classic burgers and fries to pizza and refreshing ice cream, you won't go hungry here. Yum! Don't forget to treat yourself to a delicious snack or meal during your visit. And if you're looking to relax and take a break, there are plenty of shaded areas and picnic spots where you can sit back and enjoy your food. Before we wrap up our adventure, don't forget to swing by the gift shop. They have a wide range of souvenirs, including t-shirts, hats, and other